Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Review TV. Wow, look at this set. This is a Disney Store exclusive Doc McStuffins set. It does come in a case as well. Look at all those pieces included. We get Doc, we get her friends, we get all these accessories as well. We get a desk. This is one awesome looking set. There is the back of the playset, and we do get this little tag as well telling us it is the Eye Doctor playset. It does come with 22 pieces, as I say, is a Disney Store exclusive playset as well. But let's open this up, take out all the pieces and see exactly what we have and what they can do. When we open up this case with this switch on the top, we can see inside we have this plastic tray with all the pieces on it. All the parts included are a Eye Doctor's table, a swiveling chair, a chart which has lots of animals on to check your eyesight, a box of tissues, some of Doc's instruments, 2 bottles, one is blue and one is purple. We have 2 of Doc's bags, one is the bigger version and one is the small pink version. A pair of very funky looking glasses. We have a book which opens up. We have our Doc McStuffins action figure. A spare change of clothes for Doc. We also get Hallie. And we have Professor Hootsburg. Doc can take patients in her eye clinic and sit them in the spinning chair. She can check their eyes and also try glasses on her patients as well. Hallie can also help out with the patient. Doc can look through her eye machine and check the patient's eyesight. You can also change Doc's outfit from Eye Doctor to her normal doctor's outfit. This was the Doc McStuffins Eye Doctor playset from Disney Store. It does come with 22 pieces. What was your favourite part of this playset? Mine was putting the glasses on Professor Hootsburg. Well, toy fans, thanks for joining in the fun. Please do rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.